Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.2 question number 6. A is what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Y. B is what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Let us find. Consider regular polygon. Consider a regular polygon. Consider a regular polygon. Consider a regular polygon having the lowest possible number of sides. The lowest having the having the lowest possible number of sides, lowest possible number of sides. We know that it is a triangle, right? That is, we can say that it is an equilateral triangle. And equilateral triangle lateral equilateral triangle. You see, suppose this is a triangle, equilateral triangle. That means all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. This side, this side, this side, and it is of 60 degree. This is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. Right? The exterior angle, the exterior angle the exterior angle the exterior angle the exterior angle of this triangle the exterior angle of this triangle the exterior angle of this triangle will be the maximum will be the maximum will be the maximum will be the maximum exterior angle possible maximum exterior angle possible exterior angle possible exterior angle possible for any regular polygon for any regular polygon. Exterior angle of an equilateral triangle, we know that exterior angle of an equilateral triangle equilateral triangle is equal to, we know that the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree, and number of sides in equilateral triangle is 3. Therefore, exterior angles of equilateral triangle is 120 degree. If we extend this one, if it is 60 degree, this is obviously 120 degree. If you extend this one, this is also 120 degree. If you extend this one, this is also 120 degree. You see, this is 120, this is 120, this is 120 degree. This is exterior angle. This is 120 degree, and this angle is also 120 degree. Right? Therefore, the exterior angle of an equilateral triangle is 120 20 degree. It is 120 degree. Right? Now, hence maximum possible measure of external angle of any polygon is 120 degree. Hence maximum hence maximum possible maximum possible measure 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 of external angle of external angle of external angle external angle external angle for any polygon for any polygon for any polygon for any polygon is 120 degree 120 degree 120 degree, right? Also we know that also we know that we know that also we know that an exterior angle an exterior angle exterior angle an exterior angle and an interior angle and an interior angle an interior angle interior angle are always are always are always in a linear pair always in a linear pair linear pair always in a linear pair, right? Hence minimum interior angle hence minimum interior angles hence minimum hence minimum interior angles interior angles hence interior angles is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is equal to 60 degree, right? Here you see what is the minimum interior angles possible for a regular polygon. Therefore you find that the minimum interior angle possible is 60 degree. And what is the maximum exterior angles possible for a regular polygon? Here you find that the maximum possible measure of external angle for any positive polygon is 120 degree, right? Consider a regular polygon having the lowest possible number of sides, that is an equilateral triangle. The exterior angle of this triangle will be the maximum exterior angle possible for any regular polygon. Therefore, exterior angle of an equilateral triangle, we know that the sum of the external angles of any regular polygon is 360 degree, and in equilateral triangle there are 3 sides. Therefore, 360 by 3, that is 120 degree. Hence maximum possible measure of external angle for any polygon is 120 degree. Also, we know that an exterior angle and interior angle are always in a linear pair. Hence, minimum interior angles is equal to 120 minus 60 minus 120. Here 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.